Hey Jimmy, I hope you're not trying to resurrect dead weirdos again. I don't think that's a good idea. Um, Jimmy, is anyone there? What's going on?
Hey, Carl, it's me, Michael Jackson.
I don't like this. Why's the door locked? Jimmy, somebody please let me out of here.
Let's go to Neverland.
Please stay away. No!
Close your eyes.
No!
Let my pee-pee get in.
I don't want to be harassed.
Don't try to fight it. Oh,
Please leave me alone.
your race is mine.
Jimmy, Shane, anyone!
Axe and spread those thighs.
No!
Gotta feel my beat. Deep inside your butt. Oh, and I'm gonna butt freak you
It hurts!
all night.
I didn't wipe today. It smells.
Freak you until sunlight.